Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will start the practical 1 in General Basic. Very simple, very easy practical. Let's see the task. The task is that write a program to print your name 10 times using for next statement. So in practical 1 we have a task. The first task is that the printing name, and second task is that the 10 time printing, and third task is that using for next statement. So we have a 3 tasks in practical 1. First is that the printing name, and second is the name printing must be 10 times and using for next statement. So let's see in practically. Very simple, practical 1, very easy. So that is our basics. So let's start practical 1. How can we complete the practical 1? First, the clear screen. Through the CLS, type CLS, screen will be clear. Press enter. As you can see, screen is clear. So now we type auto, AUTO, auto. So what is auto? Basically auto provides a line number, for example 10, 20, 30 and more than. So with the help of auto we have lots of advantages for insertion in specific line and error finding an error and step-by-step programming. I was make the auto command on separate video. You can search on my channel. So that is very useful, very easy, how to use an auto command. So please watch it. So next, press enter. The line number is appear 10. As you can see, 10 is appear. So line number starting from 10 we can change, but now we want to same as. So first in the line number 10 we can say CLS. CLS is stand for clear screen. First we clear screen, and second we start the for loop. That is very important, very easy for loop. Type for I is equals to 1. I is equals to 1 to 10. So that is for loop. For loop is very easy. Procedure is that type for and type I is equals to 1. I is a variable and I have a 1 value. So 1 to 10. So it's mean that the for loop is starting from 1 and close to 10. It's mean that the first time I is equals to 1 and second time I is equals to 2 and I is equals to 3. So that is the starting condition. It's mean that every time the value will be increase. In first time I is equals to 1, second time I is equals to 2. So that is the starting condition. That is a closing condition 10 times, because we want to print our text 10 times. That's why at this stage we placed a 10. So for loop is very simple. Press enter and give the printing statements. print print between the quotation, type the what we want to print 10 times. We want to print the channel name tech expert, so that's why we want to print. So if you don't know about print statement, and I was made a video on the print statement, so you can find and see. So that is also informative video on print command. So there we use print for display our text on the screen between the quotation. So you tech expert, that is a text we want to print, and procedure is that the syntax is that type print start quotation, close quotation, last space colon, semicolon, and between the quotation the text will be displayed what we type. So that is the printing statement, very easy, very simple. And then now next I is the syntax for closing for loop. So that is closed, that is the complete for condition. It's mean that the I is equals to 1, then comparing 10, I is not equal to 10, then program will be executed. Next line is that the print our channel name, and line number 40 will say that the next I, it's mean that the I is equals to 1, then now I is equals to 2, then again comparing and again printing, and then now I is equals to 3 and I is equals to 3, comparing 10, that is not equal, then again printing. So this procedure will be followed 10 times. It's mean that the 10 times names will be printed on the screen. So that is very simple. Press enter, let's see the results, and last we place AND. If the I is equals to 10 and comparing 10, it's mean that the program will be ended, then not executed this line for printing. So let's see the results. So how can we see the results? Press Control break and run through the F2 commands. Press F2. As you can see, the 10 times our channel name is printed. Tech expert 1, tech expert 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 below. So 10 times will be printed. We complete successfully practical 1, and back to the program, type CLS, clear the screen and type list list for viewing all lines or program. Press enter. As you can see that these are all lines or program. So our task is complete. But now with the small changes we can see and increase the our channel names. Suppose we want to print 20 times, so small changes at here, then result will be changed. So how can we change? In line number 20 we want to print 20 time names, because we can change just 20 at here and result will be 20. So let's do it. So how can we edit at the line number 20? The procedure is that type edit edit and give the line number. The edit command, with the help of edit command we can edit in line number 20. So let's see, press enter. As you can see, line number 20 will be appear. Then now we will change 10 to 20. So we can change 20 because we want to print 20 time names. We change the closing condition for loop. So let's see the results. Press enter, and for save type end and press enter, and then our changes will be okay, saved. And let's see the results. Same procedure for run program. F2, press F2. So as you can see that the 20 times names will be printed. 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 5 10 10 and 10 20. So that is very simple, very easy, practical one. Back to the program, CLS. So that is very practical one, easy, simple.